with a splash and a dash, Lumi dove in the blue, where the sunlight was dancing on bubbles of dew. He saw gardens of coral and fish painted gold, the wonders of Allah, a sight to behold. But the water grew darker, the bottom was deep, where the giant gray mountains of ocean rock sleep. Lumi looked all around with a heart full of awe at the treasures of sea life that nobody saw. Then a shadow moved fast with a roar and a swirl, a hungry sea lion with whiskers that curl. Lumi's little black eyes grew so wide with his fear as the sharp-toothed giant came swimming so near. Ya Hafeez, Lumi whispered, protect me today. Then he saw a small crack in the ice far away. He knew he was small and he knew he was fast, so he zipped through the water like a rocket ship. He slid through a gap where the big lion stayed, safe in a tunnel that Al-Hafeez had made. Back on the surface, Lumi caught his cold breath, saved from the danger and saved from his death. He looked at the ocean so deep and so blue. Allah is my guardian in all that I do. Though the giants are scary and Lumi is small, the one who made both is the key.